Now as for these 1/4-inch tubings going through here, it was a stretch, but I was able to do it. Took a putty knife, cleaned it out, took my ice pick here and cleaned all that stuff out, wedged it through there, and see, I wedged the pipe through, then put the elbow, cleaned the pipe out, and then put the elbow back on there and pushed it back. Did it that way, and there was just enough room. Now see this, how this one's kind of pooched. I could twist that, or when the sun hits this, when the sun hits that one, it's going to straighten out. Okay, there's only so much you can do with these things, you know what I mean? Okay, and I got her in there. Now there's one more thing. Because I had to fish it in there and because I cleaned these out, I'm pretty sure most of the little bits of dirt I got out of here. But the best thing to do, now that you're working around all this kind of stuff, before I put the ends on, and these two were on there from before, I'll have to cut those ends, then I'll turn the water back on. Okay, come back out here, make sure the water's flowing out of the 4 tubes that I put in. That way it flushes out anything before you put the tips on. If you put these sprayers on, hook it up, and it doesn't work, or it's hardly working, or it's kind of halfway clogged up, it's because you didn't do that, and there's a little bit of sand, grit, little tiny pebbles in there, and now you're going to have to clean out your sprayers, which is probably going to be a pain in the rear. All right, so remember that.